Hello. Today I am going to demonstrate you use ChatGPT as a tutor which can help you in your programming. So to start the ChatGPT, just simply search ChatGPT in the search box. Then click on the very first link and you will reach over here. Then click on the try ChatGPT and you will eventually reach over here by login into your Google account. Okay, so now just paste your code which you need to which you need to explain, okay, from the ChatGPT. So enter it and it starts explaining you. See, this code is a basic implementation of linked list in C. It contains a structure as product data T that represents the data of a product, and another structure list T that represents the linked list. The linked list is implemented as a single list. See, this will explain you line by line. You can relate it with the code and then see one by one the explanation. So in this way you can use it in your code. It can help you in explaining the code. See, ChatGPT is not in language specific, although it is C language, but you can use it in any another language like Python, Java, C++, Fortran, Cobol, any language which you know, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, in any language in which you require help. So in this way you can use the ChatGPT as a tutor. Okay, so this is the very quick demonstration how can you use the ChatGPT in your programming. Thank you very much.